Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to perform force restart operation on this device. So if you notice that your device is like laggy, you try to do something but it just don't react, you try to press buttons but it just react in no way, what you can do about it to unlag it, you have to restart it. But how you can do this? You just have to hold down power key and volume down at the same time for about 5 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully restarted and won't be laggy anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.